Welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. It's early morning 8:30. So I just thought to go for a breakfast at Brahmin's Tatte Idli Sanjay Nagar. People were saying that for breakfast it's really a good place. So let's go. It will hardly take like 5 to 10 minutes from my place to reach Brahmin's Tatte Idli. I thought first let me go somewhere out for a far place. Then again traffic is really more and even it's like raining. Then I decided to make somewhere nearby house itself.
ಖಾರಾಬಾತ್ ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಾತ್ ಶಾವಿಗೆ ಪುಳಿಯೋಗರೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ವಡ
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಖಾರ ಬಾತ್ ಒಂದು, ಕೇಸರಿ ಬಾತ್ ಒಂದು, ಇಡ್ಲಿ ವಡೆ, ಪುಳಿಯೋಗರೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಸಿಬೇಳೆ ಬಾತ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೇನಿದೆ, ಶೇವ್ಗೆ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಶಾವಿಗೆ
ಹಾಂ, ಶೇವ್ಗೆನೂ. ಡೈನಿನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದೆ ಇದು?
5 years
ಓಕೆ, ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇದೆ ಮಲ್ಲೇಶ್ವರ,
ಓಕೆ,
ನಗರ,
ಓಹೋ,
ಸಾಕರ್ ನಗರ, ಯಲಹಂಕ.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಐಟಮ್?
ಸೇಮ್ ಐಟಮ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಬಟ್ ಈ ಔಟ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ,
ಔಟ್ಲೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಅದರ್ ಔಟ್ಲೆಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಕಾಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಗ್ಲೌಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೌತ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಾ? ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್ ಸರ್. ಸೊ it's like they are taking precautions. There is no dine-in anywhere in Bangalore, yet it has not been started. So they are saying that from June 8th it's going to be getting started. Let's see. The things are still not fine anywhere. The one best part in South India is they'll give it in banana leaf. The banana leaf flavor will be completely merged with anything, any food, whatever you would have ordered. So the idli is so soft. Just look at this. It's just so soft. Let me put some chutney to plate. Let me taste this tatte idli. Once you keep that idli in mouth, it's just dissolving. It is so soft. You don't even need to chew the food. Just this is a coconut chutney. They have added corianders and chili grinded. It's tasting fantastic with idli. The idli itself is so soft. I can't explain you guys. The feel of eating idli is just amazing. The banana leaf flavor has been added in idli. The steamed idli, it's really tasting good. Let's taste vada. The crispiness is slightly come down because there is no dine-in, right? So it has come down. They have not added anything in this. Just vada batter and they have put it in oil, fried. That's it. And fennel seeds. The fennel seeds has been added. No onions, no coriander leaves and no chilies. Simple and tasty. Here is lemon yellow color shevke baat. As I can see here, jeera, mustard seeds, carrot, curry leaves and batani has been added in this, and even some onions. Let's taste it. It is just getting separated once you put the spoon into this stuff. They have slightly squeezed lemon. It's tasting really good. And because of carrot, slightly, sugar taste is there, sweetness, and it's really tasting so good. Minimum amount of oil has been added, and that mustard taste is also coming strongly because they have used lot of mustard seeds and jeera. And batani, usually no one adds batani in Chef Game. It is really tasting in a different level. Combined together, this is called as chow chow bath. In this chow chow bath, one is kesi bath and one more is kara bath. This is a combo meal. Wherever you buy this, you will buy it in a combo meal. If you ask for a chow chow bath, this both item will be in one plate. But here they have given a separate packing, but it is chow chow bath itself. In case if you don't want to eat spicy, kara bath, you can remove it off. You can just ask for a kesi bath. If you don't need sweet, if you need something spicy, then you can ask for kara bath. They will give you any of the one. So let's taste first with kesi bath. Pineapple has been added and ghee has been added. It is so soft. Once it enters mouth, it is just dissolving like a water. It's a mouth watering dish. The sweet is not so more. Can't express the feeling. And it's tempting dish, mouth watering dish. And the sweetness is not so much. The rava, once it enters the mouth, it is just getting separated. Fantastic taste. Here is kara bath. So in this, tomatoes is being added and chilies, mustard, jeera, and even in this, matar has been added. Matar or batani, whatever it is, and even carrots. Let's taste it. It's tasting good. But compared to kesi bath and shavge and all, I don't recommend this because I felt salt is a bit more in this. Again, here also the carrot sweetness is there. This is one of my favorite dish. This is puliyogre, groundnuts, coconut fried, and red chilies, dry red chilies. Okay. At last, I recommend always to eat carbs. The tanginess of tamarind, just tasting good. And fried coconut, it gives a proper crisp taste once it enters mouth. The puliyogre itself is famous in Brahmin wedding. It's Brahmin dish. Just tasting so good. I can't tell you guys. And oil is not so much comparatively to other places. In puliyogre they'll use lot of oil, but in this there is no oil at all. They have added, but not so much. Just look at this. A bite, once it enters, the spiciness is just spreading. Especially a very strong flavor is tamarind flavor. Tasting good. They will be having puliyogre goju, means something like a curry one or a solid one. They'll put it in oil, they'll add white rice, they'll mix it. So this is the concept of puliyogre, And let's add some chutney and try this. The spiciness and the tamarind taste is giving a very good combination. I keep eating. I recommend most of the dishes in Brahmin tatte idli, like tatte idli and vada, shevge, kesi bath, and puliyogre is all-time favorite. It's superb. And even shevge bath. You guys have to try. This is mouth-watering dishes in Brahmin tatte idli. I finished my breakfast finally. Oh my god, it's a high calorie food, whatever I had today as a breakfast. It's not like a breakfast, it's like my lunch. And location and price will be mentioned in the description part. Guys, thanks for all your support. I have a very good views but not a good subscribers. Please do subscribe my channel, and thanks for all your support for viewing my videos. I hope you guys are liking my videos. Please do keep supporting me like the way you are supporting me today. Anyhow guys, it's time to end my vlog. Take care, bye, be safe. Love you guys.